If you are using $5, $10, $20, $50, $100, apply this strategy I'm going to give you now and see the miracles in this strategy. In this strategy, you don't need to visit 1 hour time frame, 4 hours time frame, or day trend. The only thing you need to do is for you to apply this strategy. You can do it 10 times, 20 times in a day. Please listen to me. If you can patient enough to see these things I'm about to show you now, you will raise that account no matter how little it is. Yes, I mean you will raise that account no matter how little it is. The only thing you need to do is for you to apply this thing I'm about to show you now in your phone, smartphone, or PC. This strategy works for PC, it works for smartphones, it works for Boom 500, Boom 300, Crash 300. Anything that you can lay your hand on, it works for it. Listen to me. You don't need to visit 1 hour time frame, but as a forex trader, you should visit it. But for this strategy, if you can lay hand, if you know how to place trade, only thing you need to do is for you to be observant, monitor this trade, and monitor the strategy and see the miracles. Listen, and see the miracles. It's as simple as that. Look at my screen now. It's as simple as that. Now, what are the strategy? How does this strategy works? I'm going to be simple and as simple as that. Look at my screen. Anytime you see this thing like this, get me correct. Anytime you see the white line crossing the yellow line, if it has crossed the yellow line, immediately it has crossed the yellow line, watch your main chart. You can do the settings in your smartphones and it works accurately. If you cross this thing, if this thing has crossed like this, please be fast about it. Enter your trade. If you have entered your trade, please do yourself a favor, take like 5 to 10 candles and you are out of the market. See, immediately it crossed here, at the same time. Can you see it? Immediately it crossed here, at the same time. So the next candle you should take is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check it here, it's here. Can you see it? It will be here. So if you have taken these 5 candles here now, you are out of the market. It depends on the lot size you are using, and the time frame should not be above 5 minutes and 1 minute. Get it right. Time frame 1 minute and 5 minutes. That is what you should use. The zoom level is zoom level 3. Get that now, please. Get that now. Zoom level 3. That is the 2 things that you should apply. So what are you looking at for? Anytime you open your trade, what are you looking at for? Your eyes should be on these very things I'm showing you now, here and here. Don't make a mistake. Even if you enter something like this by mistake, here now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before the spike. That is how it works. But you must not do it anytime it has crossed this line. If you see anything inside, if you see any cross like this one here inside, avoid it. It's too risky. Anything you must do must be between these lines, inside this line. If the white line, for you to be sure, if the white line crosses below this tan line here, I mean for scalping now, I'm not talking about spike, for scalping, if it crosses below this line here, that means it gives you more clearer confirmation that you are about to see something serious. Let's do a little back test. How many times can you do it? Look at this one again. Look at this one here. Can you see it here? Look at this one here. Here now. Here. Do you see it? Do you see it? Look at another one here. Look at another one. Look at this one here. Look at it. Remember, it will touch somewhere here. It will touch somewhere here. If you can be patient to see this thing, there is what I will be seeing in my comments is thank you, thank you, thank you. Remember, there is a cross here, but there is no white cross here. How can you fail this thing? You will fail this thing if you don't apply the zoom level. The secret of this strategy applies in your zoom level. If you don't apply your zoom level very well, you will not see this shape to see when this thing is crossing. Let's go back again. You are going back. Do you see it? Just check these things. You will see that it's as simple as that. So in a day, you can do this thing up to 20 times and you are out of the market. Look at it. Very simple. Very simple. Even this one here. Look at it. You still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see it? This one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you are greedy, you can go ahead and by so doing, you will lose it. Why did I apply these things? If you are using a small lot size, a small trade, equity, if you don't use 1 minute time frame, you can't raise that dollar. That is how simple it is. I'm doing this thing because I have seen a lot of people who are trying to raise their account. At the end of the day, they will blow it off. Apply this thing and raise your dollar. Maybe you want to pay somebody for mentorship you don't have, but don't rely on those things that this is a means of trading to become a millionaire through forex trading. No, don't do that. Why I'm giving this thing out is I have seen a lot of people, they will come to me, say how much is forex, say how much is mentorship. You will tell them. Sometimes they think that you are cheating them. Sometimes, like the one I had last time, shows me what is your price at this thing. I told him I charge from this place to this place. After 1 month or thereabout, he came back and tell me how much is this. I told him I charge from this thing. So he now sees it maybe that I am a scammer or something of that nature. I am not a scammer. We change every day. The more things goes up, the more we keep going. You know that? So use this thing now to raise your money, and if possible, probably pay somebody to teach you. If you are, do you see how many times I've been showing these things? This is how effective this strategy can be. Just rely on, just don't be too fast to go to higher time frame for you not to complicate yourself. If you can set this strategy like this, it can work perfectly on your phone like this, the same way like this on your phone. And when shifting the screen, be careful not to overshift it, so that you will not complicate yourself and enter when things are not right. Look at this thing here. Look at it here. You can see this one here, but there is no confirmation in this place. So you can say, I will have taken this thing. By so doing, while you are saying, you may be caught by a spike. Look at, just be discipline yourself that you will not force yourself into the market and lose your trade. Now let me show you the indicators very fast, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Please, I beg you, subscribe to my channel. Your subscription gives us encouragement. And with you and with the subscriptions, we are going somewhere. The same indicators, how this moving average is applicable to your smartphone. It's not all about PC. If you're using PC, good. If you're using phone, good. 100% good. It's working. Look at it. 5 exponential 5. Please, I don't like explaining these things. Look at it. 3. First moving average is 5. Second moving average is 3 exponential. Use color of your choice. The main chart is over. Then I go to the window 1. If you go to the window 1, I'm using moving average 3. Moving average 3. But moving average 3 should be the last one you will put. Then apply to open. Please remember exponential. I don't subscribe to people trading on this thing. So the last one is this thing, as simple as this. So follow it. 14 average directional movement index. That is how it is. It's simple as that. Please subscribe to my channel, and I want to see you subscribe.